no start. I changed coils, I changed the relay. I just haven't changed the module. Maybe that's the problem, that module right there. I've changed these coils, all of them. Changed the relay. Just gotta put this back. Experimenting relays. Pretty much that's it. I know they're not the gas because I just changed the injectors. New filter. I test the pump and the pump is working fine. It can't be this crank because I know that gas is going in. Checked it already. If you have any suggestions, please comment me.